Hi, I'm Dave Kerschbaum with Optilogic's customer success team. Waypoint Routes replaces straight-line connections with actual real road network paths, so your ops team has a completely different level of confidence in your routing designs. And with OLRouting, our new free built-in geo-provider powered by OpenStreetMaps, you get accurate distances and travel times with no API key and no additional cost. In the distance lookup utility, you'll find OLRouting as one of your geo-provider options. This connects directly to Waypoint Routes, as both capabilities use the same provider. So if you're using OLRouting for your distance lookup, the routes rendered on your map will be calculated with the same logic as the distances driving your solve, keeping everything visually consistent. This is available in both transportation optimization and network optimization. You just toggle Waypoint Routes on and click Generate Routes. You can isolate a single route to sense check it. You can switch to all routes for the full picture, or use skip populated routes to regenerate only what's new. So go ahead and hop into Cosmic Frog to try it yourself.